Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Today the one PI, crime branch, Tushar Lotlikar had come. He has taken a bail with a personal bond and one surety. Juba Dalvi SP had also come. He has also taken a bail from this and with one surety. But SP Rahul Gupta and SP North, crime Rahul Gupta and SP North Harishchan Madkaikar had not come. The court was very unhappy with such a thing, and they have been told next time if they don't come, then consequences will follow. So next time they should come. So that is the order passed today. They had not come, giving a reason of some security of some politician and all ministers. So but the court was unhappy with that the accused should come and first respect the court and then go anywhere, because last time also they had not come. Next time if they don't come, then the court might issue NBW against them.
So what is your complaint actually?
My complaint is I had given an FIR saying that when I was sitting in the office with the chief electrical engineer, false FIR was lodged. So I had given them a complaint to be registered on PSI Pokre and PI Gaurish Malik, but they have not done it. So I have moved under 199 as per BNS and asked for their prosecution because they are not registering FIR. They are now not registering FIRs of anybody. So we have to go under 156.3 or 175.3. So that should not happen, and they should be, to show that the crime is low, they don't register an FIR police. And in fact they don't register on police only if you go and all. But we will see next time that all these are done procedures, and now they are accused. No, SP is accused, that is accused. So they try to implicate you in a false FIR and all so many times. So that we are fighting for that.